Hello guys, welcome to Capti Tutorials. In this particular video we are going to see how our Spring Boot applications um, will host in AWS, Amazon AWS server. So let's say let's assume we are doing one project in Spring Boot with database and also let's say how to take that project to the AWS instance, means in general how to host our applications on the internet. So with the help of this AWS Amazon Web Service. So basically we are having this Spring Boot applications. Okay guys, then what we will this is developed in our local machine. So what we will do, I will just send this code to the online git repository. From there I will take that code to the you know uh, Amazon AWS instance. Okay, then from there I will run, and that will available to the clients or users. If database is also there, then we will see how this interaction will happen. So guys, let's quickly understand this is a general agenda of this video guys. I am going to cover yeah, so let's understand guys. So before starting this, I am just going to explain what are all the things required. So guys, you have to create one instance in Amazon AWS. So you can do this by going to this Amazon site guys. So here you can notice I have already launched one instance which is running on my public port. So then you have to connect to this instance. There are a lot of ways are there guys to connect to the instance. So I am connecting through sample pem file. You can also connect through putty and all. So and what is there, and one more thing, the git project. So I have already created one git project. So I will take this git project so to the AWS, and we will see how this work guys. So let's quickly go to our project. So this is my project guys. I have already, you take any sample project guys. I am just taking my this project. This I am having one sample project. So you can take your own projects, and let's understand how this code goes to the AWS. So guys, so I am just doing this. So what I will do for our understanding, I will just make some changes just to explain you. So Capti tutorials, yes. So guys, let's say I have saved this file. So what I will do is I will just quickly go to that project directory, and I will I will just send these changes to my git repo, online git repo. So see, if you check the status of this git one, I have modified one file. So I will just add this file guys. You can check my previous video. In that video I have clearly explained how this git and GitHub work, collaborate each other to modify the source code, to handle version control and all. So you can check that video guys, you will have some idea. So I just send this to this particular code to my git with one commit message, key changes something guys, some sort of message. So yes, git push origin. I am just pushing this code to my git, to my online git. So I am just giving my detail. Yeah, I have just pushed the code to my git repository. If you notice here, we will have one commit. So yep guys, if you notice here, now I have pushed this code. So now I am having that code in my particular branch. So now what I will do, I will just quickly I will quickly go to the Amazon I will just quickly go to my log into my console, Amazon console. So before that we will check guys whether my instances are running or not. 8081, I'm just running on 8081. If you notice, no instance is running here. So what I will do, I will just quickly go and I will log in to my Amazon instance. So for this I am doing guys, I have just while creating Amazon instance guys, you will have at the end of that configuration you have to download this PEM file and you have to keep somewhere else, and with that help of PEM file you can able to log into your console. So I mean your machines like this. So guys yeah, like this. Now I have connected to my instance. So if you notice and guys, you have to here now once you log into your machine, so guys you have to just install whatever the prerequisite required to run the application or like that. So if you notice, I am already having lots of projects running here. So I will just go to the required thing. So tech prepare is my repository guys. So if you notice here, I have already some code. So what I will do is I will just pull that code, git pull that latest change guys, origin. Yep. Yes guys, now I have the changes. So what I will do, I will just build that changes. So now this will build. So once the build is done, I will just run my jar file guys. So yes, yeah, it's starting guys. I have connected MySQL also guys, so you have to install MySQL on this instance if you are using a MySQL or any database even in your project. So guys, let's see, my build is success. So I will just run that jar. Target, oh, it's not coming. What is the name? I think it's MSOI jar. No, I think I have to give you my name of my we have to give our jar file name. So if you notice my jar crude, okay, my jar file name is crude guys, java minus jar crude. Yup, I will just run this instance guys. It's very simple guys. If you will understand, you will do this by yourself just by referring the document. This is not that much complex to with a minimum configuration you can run Spring Boot instance on Spring Boot, I mean on Amazon service. So guys, let's see, my port is running on 8080 guys. If you have noticed here, it's running. Yep guys, you can notice here that is now successfully running. I have to just give my credential because I am using Spring Security here. Yes, if you notice guys, my instance is running. See, these are the APIs. So I have a Swagger guys, I will just show in Swagger. Yep, see guys, how in minimum configuration how we have executed. You have noticed, you might be noticed, in just sort of 10 minutes we have already hosted our application in AWS guys. Nothing additional steps you guys has to do guys. Here you guys has to do, see, these are the instances running guys. Not, the one thing here you have to notice guys, you have to just create one instance on my in AWS. Then after that you have to just you have to, what I have done the same step, you have to do the same steps to to quick start. So might be you are getting some doubt that how I have to get the console EC to console, and that it's not that much complex guys. You have to just once you sign up, it will take to this console directory. You have to select the zone, specific zone, and you have to just launch instance. While creating instance, it will ask some configuration, so you have to just select that, and according to that, once that your instance is in, if you found that, you have to check the instance. Once it is in under running mode, then you have to just log into that that instance via this terminal. If you are using Linux machine, you can directly log into the terminal by PEM file, or you can create the user. There are very simple ways guys. So once you log in, then you have to just pull that code from the git and you have to run it. That's it guys. I think whatever I have shown here, I think we have covered this. So whatever you see in that list, it's already fetching from the database. So if you imagine, these are the lists. If you take some subject controller, if you take this, see guys, this is already fetching the list of subjects from the database. So this is the this must minimum configuration we can host on any instances guys. So I think I have done with this guys. If you have any doubt, I don't want to extend this video, and I don't want to go in deep. So this is the basic initial steps to hosting. You can do a lot of configuration and all as per your requirement. Yep, guys, I have done with this. So I will just quickly go through what I have done. So guys, that project which I have, sample project which is running on Eclipse, so I have made some changes and have just sent to the online git repository. So from that git repository, I have directly taken to the AWS, and I was just running that instance. So might be now you are surprised to hear that once I close the machine, then this will go. So for this to run this instance continuously guys, you have to just write one shell script, some Linux script, so it will continuously keep on running your instance. That you can find easily in Google. If you search that stuff, that is not that much difficult. And anyway, I will share that also in my this particular article on my website, so you just check there. Okay, if you have any doubt and any queries guys, you just write me in comment. So hope you enjoyed the video guys. Yeah, thank you.